After a grueling 45 minutes in air, all the aircraft are recovered. But no training is complete without a thorough debrief. After every sortie, all pilots meet up in the briefing room to critically scrutinize their individual actions in air. It begins with an honest self-analysis and is followed up by peer evaluation. In this case, the trainee pilots are debriefed in a 1:1 informal chat with their respective instructors. After all, the only real mistake is one from which nothing is ever learned. You're a fighter pilot, but here, apart from being a fighter pilot, you have also been given an extremely delicate and responsible task, which is to train the new pilots who come into the squadron and get them absorbed into the team.
Yes.
How do you go about it? What do you look for in a pilot?
We have a syllabus laid down for each pilot who starts flying on the aircraft, which is there on all other aircraft also. So initially what they learn is how to handle the aircraft, how to maneuver the aircraft. Basically this is an air combat and air dominance fighter having multi-role capabilities. The next phase of flying which we take them on to is, learning how to fly combat sorties or learning how to maneuver against aircraft in the air. So that is the next phase of flying. The present day air warfare is mostly beyond visual range. So after transiting from close combat, we take them on to concepts of beyond visual range combat. So when he goes through those phases of training, which takes about 6 to 8 months and maybe a little more, depending on the experience of the pilot and the syllabus that he has to go through, he would be capable of handling all operational missions.
So tell me, Prashant, you're relatively, compared to the old hands, you're a relative greenhorn. When you finally got into this aircraft, how did it compare with anything you had imagined?
This is one of the best aircrafts in the world as of now, and after coming to this aircraft from a basic aircraft which I've flown during my training, it's a massive jump and you can't ask for anything more than that.
Answer this question and you could win a free trip to the Sukhoi Airbase. Tell us which aircraft was featured in this episode. Your options are A. Su-27, B. Su-30 MKI, C. Su-30K. You could SMS your replies to LOD, space, your option, space, your name, space, your city to 8888. For example, LOD, space, A if your answer is Su-27. Or you could log into www.timesnow.tv and send your entries.